This video goes over how to change attribution settings in GA4. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. First, start at analytics.google.com. Next, make sure you're on the admin screen, which you can find by going to the bottom left tool icon. Next, scroll down and click Attribution Settings under the Data Display section. Here you can see all the attribution methods that you're able to change. First, you can change your reporting attribution model. There's only two options here. First, you can do data-driven, which is recommended and gives credit to different data points based on what Google sees happening. The only other one that you're allowed to choose now is last click, which gives all of the credit to the last click that happened for the conversion. So if they did multiple steps and then the last thing they did was fill out a web form on your page, the last click is the web form, so that would get all of your attribution. Data-driven gives different amounts of attribution at different touch points. Next, this section in the middle will be blank unless you connect Google Ads to your account. So you can give the option, which is the automatic option is to do Google paid channels. You can also switch it to do paid and organic channels. At the bottom, there's key event look back window. So all of the key events you set up in the account, you can choose how long the conversion will count towards. So for acquisition key events, you can do 7 days or 30 days. All other key events, you can choose between 30, 60, or 90 days. Engaged view key events, this cannot change. It will always stay at 3 days. If you make any changes, you would then click Save at the bottom. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.